My name is Chris Brown. I'm the business manager of Apex Dental Milling here in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Apex Dental Milling started out 4 years ago as a dental milling center. Our customers are predominantly dental laboratories. They will send models to us, they will send impressions to us. Having our own printer, it allows us to print models quicker than we can actually receive them from the digital impression companies. If we can print our own models, it allows us to reduce our cost per case compared to what we're paying from other manufacturers. Traditional methods, there's nothing wrong with them. They've proven themselves over time. But in a world of fewer dental technicians, of competition from overseas or mega laboratories, digital gives laboratories the ability to compete. Typically a laboratory can produce maybe 3 to 4 models an hour per technician. With digital, we can far exceed that. We can spend 5 minutes building the model virtually and then press go on the printer and come back later, have 20, 30 models ready to go. So here it looks like this morning's print job is complete. Pull the tray out and we'll go ahead and scrape the units off. We don't have to worry about keeping them segregated since all of these models have serial tags that have been placed on them. We'll be able to sort them out after the cleaning process is complete. So here we have a model that was printed this morning. This was from a digital impression system. We're also, for this particular case, doing a full contour restoration, which will be checked against this solid model. This case will be delivered to the laboratory about 2 days after we've received the entire case. So the Object Printer has allowed us to provide products and services we've never been able to provide before. We're providing solid models from digital impression systems. We're providing solid models from scans of traditional impressions. We're providing solid models for orthodontic aligner trays. So it's really helping to expand the business that we currently have into areas that we had never envisioned before.